Everyone has experienced moments when the mind feels scattered. We eat, but don't taste the food. We walk, but don't notice the path beneath our feet. We sit with loved ones, but our thoughts are miles away. This restless wandering is the ordinary state of the mind. The Buddha called it monkey mind, always jumping, never still. Mindfulness is the antidote. It is the simple yet profound practice of bringing our awareness back to the present moment, to truly see, to truly hear, to truly live what is happening now. When we are mindful, life stops rushing past us. Each moment becomes alive, fresh, and full of meaning. But what exactly is mindfulness? The Buddha described it as sati, remembering, awareness, presence. It is not about forcing the mind to be blank, nor about escaping reality. Rather, it is about meeting reality as it is, with openness and clarity. Imagine holding a glass of clear water. When it is still, you can see straight through it. When it is shaken, it becomes cloudy. Our mind is the same. How do we practice mindfulness? First, through the breath. Breathing in, we know we are breathing in. Breathing out, we know we are breathing out. So simple, yet so powerful. The breath is always with us, like an anchor to the present moment. Each mindful breath is a reminder. I am here. I am alive. This moment is enough. Mindfulness also arises in daily life. When eating, we eat with awareness, noticing the taste, the texture, the gift of nourishment. When walking, we feel each step touching the earth, steady and calm. When listening, we give our full attention, not just hearing words, but touching the heart behind them. Every action, no matter how small, can be illuminated by mindfulness. Why is mindfulness so powerful? Because it transforms suffering. When anger arises, mindfulness notices, this is anger. It does not suppress nor indulge. It simply recognizes, and in that recognition, anger begins to soften. When fear arises, mindfulness says, this is fear, and already fear loses its grip. Mindfulness does not erase our emotions. It embraces them, like a kind parent holding a crying child. Scientific studies now confirm what the Buddha taught 2,500 years ago. Mindfulness reduces stress, strengthens focus, and even heals the body. But beyond science, mindfulness nourishes the soul. It gives us back the simple joy of being alive. The smile of a child, the song of a bird, the warmth of sunlight, all become precious treasures when we are present enough to notice them. But mindfulness is not just for peace. It is also for wisdom. The Buddha taught the four foundations of mindfulness: awareness of the body, feelings, mind, and phenomena. By observing closely, we see the impermanence of all things. We see that clinging leads to suffering, and letting go brings freedom. Mindfulness is not passive. It is insight in action, transforming how we live, how we love, how we respond to life. Consider this. Without mindfulness, we are like someone living in a dream, rushing from one moment to the next, never truly awake. With mindfulness, we awaken. We taste the miracle of life that has always been here. Each breath becomes a gift. Each step, a prayer. Each moment, a doorway to peace. The Buddha said, mindfulness is the path to the deathless. Neglect of mindfulness is the path to death. To neglect mindfulness is to live half asleep, missing the wonder of existence. To practice mindfulness is to touch eternity in the present moment. So what is mindfulness? Simply explained, it is awareness of now. It is the art of coming home, home to your breath, home to your body, home to your life, Azad Island. It is not far away, not complicated, not reserved for monks or mystics. It is available here and now, to anyone willing to pause, to breathe, to wake up. The next time you eat, taste fully. The next time you walk, walk fully. The next time you breathe, breathe fully. This is mindfulness, simple yet profound, ordinary yet miraculous. And perhaps the greatest gift of mindfulness is this. It reminds us that life is not something to chase in the future or cling to in the past. Life is here, now, unfolding in this very moment. To be mindful is to be truly alive. May this understanding inspire you to practice gently and patiently, and may each mindful breath lead you deeper into peace, clarity, and freedom. If this reflection has brought you calm, I invite you to continue walking this path with me. Together, let us explore the timeless wisdom of the Buddha and the power of mindfulness.